How to fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you have inverted camera on Instagram video call. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you could check your camera settings. If you're on your Android device, you could open up the camera application and then you can check for the settings. Navigate to the settings of your camera, and here if you have an option for the mirror selfie, then you have to turn it off. So scroll through your settings and look for an option as mirror. If it is turned on, you could turn it off. Now the second fix is the Instagram preview versus real view. Instagram only shows you the mirrored view, but the other person may see you normally, so you could just simply ask them. And the third option, or if the camera is still flipped, then you have to make sure that the Instagram application is up to date. For that, you have to open up Play Store in your device, navigate to the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Instagram and check whether the application needs update or not. If it does need update, then you have to update the application and check whether the problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you can use the Instagram web. Go to the instagram.com on your laptop, then your webcam won't be mirrored at all. So these are some of the ways that will help you solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.